Hello everyone, it's Lanice and I am here to share with you where I am on my weight loss journey. I know the last time I did a video about where I am now that I'm taking the 2.5 milligrams of Zepbound. I had 3 more pounds to go. So that was a couple of weeks ago. And since that time, I literally have lost 1 pound. So there are weeks where I lose like a half a pound. There are weeks I might lose a quarter of a pound. So these last 3 pounds are moving a little bit slow, but what I will say is I'm going in the right direction. So hello, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Lanice and I'm a registered nurse, but more importantly than that, I am a woman in midlife who is working on all the things health and wellness to just try to feel great, live a long time, and just enjoy my life from a health and wellness standpoint. So welcome to my channel. So I met with my weight loss doctor yesterday and we had a conversation about, where I am, how I'm feeling, and I shared with him where I am as far as the number on the scale. But I did also share with him that on the scale that I use, I'm able to see if I'm gaining muscle and losing fat. And thankfully, consistently, I've been doing that. And so I'm currently on the 2.5 milligrams of Zepbound. And so the weight loss is slow and I'm really not in a hurry. He did ask if you want to increase it, we can, and that'll get you to your goal faster. And I really don't want to increase it. I feel great with where I am and in the direction I'm going in. And so I did share that I'm not having really any symptoms. If I had to state a symptom, it would be slower bowel movements, not constipation. If that's a little bit too TMI, I'm sorry. But instead of every day, maybe every other day. But no problems there. I am still eating, healthy. I'd say 85% of the time. There are times when I have a dessert, and that's okay. I don't feel like I don't have an appetite. I do have an appetite for the most part. And I appreciate that I have an appetite because I don't want to suppress my appetite to the point where I don't want to eat. I don't want to do that. And I know if I increase the medication, that would probably do that. But one of the things that has helped me as I'm getting back into the routine after the holidays is using my little health and wellness tracking log. It's just a piece of paper. It's a Word document where I developed some tables for 30 days of the month. And I am tracking how much I slept. I have a sleep number bed, so I can look at my sleep number and write it on here. And that really does affect how I feel the next day if I don't have good sleep. It's just hard to work out and get motivated when I'm dragging. And so I track my sleep. I do use the Calm app on my phone to do a little bit of meditation to just decrease stress. So I'll track that. Sometimes I'll do 3 minutes, sometimes I'll do 5 minutes. It just depends on, my day. I track my water intake, my fiber intake, try to get 25 grams of fiber in a day. So today I'm having for breakfast an apple, some granola, and some Greek yogurt. I track my grams of protein, and in this I probably have about 17 grams of protein, and I'll probably do a little protein shake at lunch to increase my protein, because I try to get 30 in each meal. Maybe I'll throw some hemp hearts in here to increase the protein. I track that I've taken my supplements. I keep all my supplements in a little container that's Sunday through Saturday. And then strength training, if I go to the gym or if I stay home and do strength training, I document that. And then my aerobics, 30 minutes a day. Today is probably going to be a day where I walk on my walking pad while I'm on my first meeting. That'll get my 30 minutes in of aerobics today. And then I'll probably walk at lunchtime again, but at least 30 minutes of aerobics. So I use this log to help me just stay on track, because I'm very busy during the day working and I teach an online class in the evening. So if I don't keep this, I usually keep it here on the counter right by my coffee pot so that I can come in and out of the kitchen and just check off what's going on. So by 5 o'clock, I can look and see what I have done and what I haven't done. And then I have time to get it done in the evening when things are a little bit slower for me. So again, I am still on my journey to health and wellness. I don't think there is a destination. I think this is just a journey that I will be on until the Lord calls me home. But I just want to stay on track, be consistent with my habits, and just be consistent with making sure that I'm prioritizing my health and wellness, as I am 58 and soon to be 59. And I know as we age, you know, things happen, and I'm just trying to combat that as much as I possibly can. And so thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can place them in the comments. If you'd like a copy of my health and wellness tracking log, you can drop that in the comments as well, and I can send it to you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and have a good day.